2, 1. Happy New Year, everybody. Some good news, some bad news as we go into 2013. First, the good news. We are seeing a little bit of snow early on this Wednesday morning in many areas of West Virginia, Western Maryland, even down into North Carolina. Unfortunately, it's mixing with a little bit of ice. The good news is over the next 7 days, we're going to see cold air move into the southeast, setting the stage for a little bit of natural snow. I don't anticipate a lot, but maybe a couple more inches up in Snowshoe, Wisp, down towards Winter Place. Even in the North Carolina mountains, we could pick up an inch or two. Unfortunately, it's mixing with a little bit of ice in the middle of the week. The better news in all this is temperatures are going to be plenty cold for about the next 5 to 7 days. The amount of snow we're looking at pretty small, about 1 to 2 inches up in West Virginia, and what you can't see down here is a little bit of snow that'll be falling in the North Carolina mountains. Again, mixing with a little bit of ice though as we go into your Wednesday. So your ski forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, heading up into areas of West Virginia and Maryland, we're looking at a little bit of ice changing to snow. Temperatures generally in the 20s and teens though, so plenty cold enough. As we go down into areas of North Carolina, rain on Thursday, but changing to ice and mixing with some snow. Temperatures in the 30s and 20s, and that's really the good news I have for you, at least for the next 7 days or so. Temperatures starting on Tuesday evening as we go into Wednesday. Notice all the cold air that's going to be moving into the southeast. So plenty cold enough, at least through the upcoming weekend, for snowmaking. I think we're going to have ideal conditions right through the weekend into early next week. Some bad news though, I'm looking long range into the middle of the month, and that typical January thaw looks like it's going to start maybe around the 10th or 11th or so, and may last for about a week or so. So if you get a chance to get out and do some skiing this week into the upcoming weekend, it's going to be picture perfect. And ski resorts, make as much snow as you can right now because conditions are perfect. They're going to change by the middle of the month. Now, I don't think it's going to be a long thaw, but pretty typical here in the southeast. We're going to get that middle of the January thaw. We typically get it in the middle of the winter. So we got to get some snow on the ground now, lay down those bases, get them set up for that thaw before things change around by the end of the month. Of course, we'll have another update at the end of the week. Until then, enjoy your skiing, and I hope you have a great 2013.